Hello everyone. This video will show you how to fix you can't send messages error in Microsoft Teams. If you're unable to send messages within your Teams dedicated channel, maybe this is a general issue. Check the Office 365 health status to see if there's any note about possible Teams messaging issues. If you're getting permission or access related errors. If Teams failed to send your message because you're not a member of that chat or channel, contact the chat or channel owner. Most likely, they set up strict permission settings that are blocking messages from external users. Contact your IT admin and have them check if the Teams messaging policy has been assigned to your user account in the Teams Admin Center. Make sure they added you to the respective chat or channel. Then ask them to grant you permission to use the chat and send messages to the other chat participants. Check your network connection and ensure everything's working as intended. Open Command Prompt as administrator. And enter the configure a new command. This will help you to refresh your IP address. Create a new group chat. One quick way to work your way around this problem is to ask a third person to start a new group chat. The chat creator can then leave the chat. Many users who experienced this problem in group chats with 2 or 3 participants confirm this workaround did the trick for them. Make sure your Teams app is updated. Launch Teams, click on the 3 dots, and select Check for Updates. Your Teams cache may sometimes break certain features of the app, including the messaging feature. To do that, close Teams and then clear your cache. Press Windows plus R, and then type the following command. Click OK. Go to the following path. Open the cache folder. Delete all the files from. Now relaunch Microsoft Teams, and then check the problem has resolved.